everyone. I just wanted to welcome you to 125 Ashland Place, apartment 14A. I'm going to take you on a video tour of the apartment to give you a sense of the layout and the space. I know that this doesn't take up for the ability to come and feel the space out in person, but we hope that this helps to convince you that this may be the right home for you. So this is your entryway. There are 4 apartments on each floor. And the foyer of the apartment. The apartment is wired for an alarm system and the phone for intercom. Here in the foyer is a walk-in closet, great for storage. One of the most stunning and beautiful features of this apartment are these parquet floors. They have been recently refinished and all the walls painted, so you really are beginning with this fresh slate. Your living room. And your attached dining room. So an L-shaped live-in dine-in combo, which just creates really great flow for entertainment purposes. The fact that the kitchen is dual entry really amplifies that flow of the apartment. This is your view from these windows. We're looking at Fort Greene Park in the distance. And down below are the built-in courtyards. There are benches, great place to enjoy nature and some quiet in the midst of the city. Here is your kitchen. So this is the first project in the apartment, and the reason why the apartment is priced as it is. So we come through our galley kitchen, and we're back in the hallway. We have a closet here. And shelves that go up. And the hallway to the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. This bathroom is original to the apartment. So if you like that old style charm, this is a bathroom for you, but understandably most would want to change it out. It is fully functional and gives you good space to work with. We're going to enter our first bedroom. This bedroom is slightly smaller in terms of dimensions than the other bedroom, so we're calling the other one the master, but this is going to be personal choice. One of the benefits of this bedroom is this beautiful 3-pane window that do give you these beautiful views of downtown Brooklyn and southeastern exposure. And that's Breuckelen Hospital that we're overlooking here. This room also has a double door closet. All of the bedrooms are large enough to accommodate a king-size bed. We do have, before we get to the other bedroom, another closet, linen closet. And the master. Our view here. And this is your other closet in your master. So like the other room, it can definitely accommodate a king-size bed. And our last go around. Okay. Well, this concludes our tour of 125 Ashland Place, apartment 14A. If you have any questions, please reach out to me by text, email, or telephone, and I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. In the interim, keep safe, be well, and stay blessed.